Okay, hear me out. Your phone might be the secret to stress-free holiday decorating next year. Here is my favorite 10-minute holiday decor hack. Hey everybody, it's Whitney with Girl Friday Crafts. Welcome to your new series, my organizing tip of the week. We are midway through my holiday edition, and I decided to bring this back over to YouTube. I was doing this on YouTube for a while, in addition to sending it out to my email list. And yesterday I decided I wanted to bring it back to YouTube. I normally send them on Wednesdays, but I couldn't get it together to get a video recorded yesterday. So here I am today, and wanted to talk to you a little bit about using your phone to help you with your holiday decorating. When you're done this year and everything is set up the way you want it, take pictures. Not just the pretty put on the Christmas card, put in an album, post on social media pictures, but pictures to help you remember exactly how you had everything set up. And that way, next year, when you are decorating, you can go back to those pictures and restage everything exactly the way you have it. Even if you do switch things up every year, whether it be your theme or even how and where you place things, if you have pictures of how you have things grouped together, it will help you figure out, oh, I had all these things grouped together. I like how that looked. Yes, I'm going to change the location, but I'm still going to keep these things together. Oh, this is how I had the florals arranged. Oh, I put these candles in these candlestick holders. All of those little minute details that help you create the look that you want, you can capture in pictures, and then next year you won't spend time trying to remember where you had things. It will also help you in the inverse if there's something that you didn't quite like, and maybe you just left it as it was because you didn't have time to deal with it. You can look at all those pictures together and think, okay, so I didn't like this like that. Let's try a different color scheme, or let's try rearranging these pieces this year this way. Or, oh, maybe this would look better over here with this. And the pictures will help you remember what that looks like. So this is your organizing tip for this week. I will be back next week with a new YouTube video. These will actually be on Wednesdays. With a new YouTube video. We'll keep going with the holiday edition probably through the first of the year, because we're not done with the holiday organizing just because the holiday is actually over. There's the whole putting it all away that we'll need to talk about. And then in the new year, we will pivot back specifically to craft space organization. If you are interested in getting on my email list to get all of the Girl Friday Craft insider information ahead of time, there is a link in the video description to grab that. You'll also get a playlist of my favorite 15-minute crafts and a whole bunch of other information on how to find me, where to find me, and all of that. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will talk to y'all next week. Happy holidays.